Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys can make regular profits. And do click on the share button as well, and so more people can benefit from the profits that we make on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So in this XAUUSD pair analysis, when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here in this area of short-term resistance, and we marked this area as an area of short-term support. However, market only closed below our area of resistance over here, so we could take a short entry from here. So let me take that entry for you guys. So if we would take a short entry from there, our stop loss would be over here and our take profit will be here. So this trade would have given us a 1.5% profit. And afterwards, once again market just closed above this area of resistance, so we could take a long position. So if we would take a long position over here, so the stop loss will be approximately over here, and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a profit of approximately 0.7% only. But if we would have taken a long position after the retest over here, so our stop loss will be approximately. So it is quite possible that we would have hit a stop loss in this trade. But once again, when market tested this area, so we would take a buy entry over here. So if we would take a buy entry over here, our stop loss will be approximately here and our take profit will be here. So this trade would have given us a 1.6% profit. So but as you guys can clearly see, that market has not really given us a really clear move. So I think that preferably only these small trades would have given us some kind of profit or loss. So now let me move the scenarios forward for tomorrow. So this will be okay. So the scenario for tomorrow will be this. So this will be the area of resistance, and the area of support will be approximately this area, or rather this zone. Okay, so this will be the area of support. Okay, so now let me move all the scenarios forward so you guys can clearly see that how you guys have to trade this gold pair tomorrow. And if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you guys. Okay, so yes. Okay, so just follow these scenarios and follow this given key, and I hope that you guys will be making a good profit. If you guys would like to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section. And so meanwhile, just hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the next video.